Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Sorry, headlights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't...
Hey, girls! Huh? Are you talking about the red-haired Jerry?
Elevator doors can be surprisingly dangerous. We always have to be careful before we put our hands out.
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic.
You will stay with my Uncle Topolino! Luigi, Guido, get...
Duydunuz işte, duydunuz. Şimşek McQueen ağır olmayı seviyormuş. Tabii ki Francesco bunu zaten bilir. Tag, you're in. What?
Why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Over here!
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Don't worry, Mama.
McQueen is very sad. I will...
La grúa dijo recto. ¿Quieto? Correcto. Recto.
Stanley, you sure knew how to treat a girl. Oh, by the way, I never did get a chance.
You just gave up the piston cup. You know that?
Ah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's
Independent panel of scientists has determined that all in all is completely safe, okay? Safe.
Fizzling fireboxes! Sir Topham Hatt won't be proud of me now.
I hereby dub thee.
It's Mowgli!
Not the only one seeing this, right?
Incoming!
Lightning McQueen!
Wow. What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty.
Fabulous! I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
No, but
Living life in the fast lane.
oh, you were you? Were you rich?
As crop hoppers at...
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well, I thought...
Not my town, don't.
Starting to think I might.
Welcome to the Rusty's Racing Center. You have no idea how much I've been looking for.
guess not. We are back in business. Guido, Luigi, you're going up against professional pit crews, boys.
You, sir, are officially in.
I sold them.
To who?
No idea. He's my best customer, but he always does his business over the phone.
What? Ready, buddy? Ready? All right, Dan. Get it in!
Obrigado, pessoal. Obrigado. Eu que agradeço. Obrigado.
For the better if it means my old pal Lightning is down for the count. Am I right, certain?
Well, if I'm certain of anything...